Amid internet comments criticizing the Mercedes-AMG GT63's V8 replacement with a 4-cylinder engine, E-Performance was introduced, and some of its hybrid variants still employ V8 engines. We've acquired the S63 super-limo in the US. The GT63 Siemens E-Performance introduced this hybrid configuration 2 years ago. The 2023 US launch of the hybrid 4-door has been delayed. Mercedes revealed a revised version for Europe, so when it arrives stateside, it will have a crisp new face. Mercedes said the E-Performance would return to the US in 2024, with more details to follow. We expect the US-bound E-Performance to sport the new European model's bodywork. A wider grille with a black intake below the chrome vertical strakes, inspired by the new Mercedes-AMG GT Coupe, is the most noticeable alteration. With thinner air vents and a smaller lower grille aperture, the bumper looks cleaner. Although the US market version's packaging is unknown, Mercedes revised the feature list. The new E-Class and other revised Mercedes-Benz vehicles have a standard Burmester surround sound system with Dolby Atmos spatial audio, an electric sunroof, and a wireless phone charger for the back seats. Same hybrid powertrain, twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 with an electric motor on the back axle for 831 horsepower and 1082 pound-feet of torque. This torque is supplied to all 4 wheels via 9-speed automated transmission and a 4.8 kWh battery-powered electric motor. A new color, opalite white metallic, and air suspension are standard on the E-Performance. Mercedes should unveil the US spec GT63 Siemens E-Performance in the coming months.